Do you wish to play your favorite mobile game or run your favorite Android app on your PC, enjoying a larger screen and a better sound system? Then this video is for you. This is me right now playing an Android game on a PC. I'll be showing you how you can go about this. If you're a return subscriber, you've been amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Let's get started. To do this, we'll be using an emulator. Launch your favorite browser. On the URL box, search for BlueStacks, www.bluestacks.com/download.html. Click the download button and run the BlueStacks installer. Make sure the BlueStacks you are installing is the one that has layers of red, blue, yellow, green stacks. Click on the download button and run the BlueStacks installer. Click yes to make changes to your system and click install now. Next is to sign in to your Google account. You know how to log into your Google account, right? Sign in to your Google account, input your password and click next. You will have to be patient. I made this faster so that this video won't be long. You will have to be patient for this to install. Once installed, log into your Google account. You are about to play your favorite mobile game on a PC, enjoying a larger screen and a better sound system. Once you've logged into your Google account, this is the interface you'll be seeing. If you want to play games, you click here. If you want to run your favorite apps, click here. If you want to search for apps and games, use the URL box and type in the name of the game or the name of the app you want to install. Simply type in the name and hit enter. This is the game I want to install now, so I will click the install button. I will make this fast. You have to be patient for it to install. While installing, you can see the reviews, you can see the downloads, you can see the ratings. I will be installing the Candy Crush Saga. This is a popular game. You can install any game of your choice. You can install any Android app of your choice. Just input the name of the app or the name of the game and hit install. Accept the terms of service and let's get started. This is the game now. It has been installed. Now I will go ahead and play my favorite game. You can see it has the same interface with that of a mobile device. If you can play this game on your mobile device, that of a PC is the same. Okay, watch me play an Android game on a PC. This is how you can play your favorite mobile game or run your Android apps on a PC. Simply install BlueStacks on your PC and log into your Google account. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.